guys, and today we're going to be picking up another toolbox in the TLX, and we're going to get it started up. It's not starting up. We're gonna need to fix that. It's not starting up. I'm gonna take this to the TLX dealer, and I think I'll be able to get a loaner car. So I'm gonna drive her car, get the trailer, and drop it off, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Guys, so we had a change of plans. A tow truck came in and dropped off the TLX. We're gonna go fix it up, and the wife dropped me off, but I talked with the TLX brands, and they said I could take this loaner truck, which is it's a big truck. It's a TLX Ray 500. It's a twin, has a dually El Toro, so it's a heavy duty truck, a big heavy duty bumper, railings to get up. I have no idea why we're outside the tire, but big heavy duty bumper. It's a supercharged, and gonna hop in. It's not a single cab as mine is crew cab. That supercharged sounds different. Wait, look, wait. Oh, why is this in the back of the truck? Yeah, we're gonna go drive this home. Very big truck, if I do say so. And yeah, something like this, I could definitely use something like this at home. A big work truck to customize. Although this is very customized, but yeah, it'd be pretty nice. It goes 150 top speed. Only 53 miles on this. Well, that's not bad. Especially it's only years old, so that's pretty good. I don't think this is going to fit. Wait, look. Guys, I didn't realize, but look, all the lights and under the tailgate. This thing's not bad. It's nice. It's awful. We don't have tow mirrors, which is kind of surprising since this would seem like a big towing truck. I don't want to get like dirty or anything since it's a loaner car and it's white, so it's like bright white. So like if there's dirt on it, it's gonna show up very easy, and I don't want like there to be dirt show up. So well, I do have that car washer, so we'll park the truck in, close it. It is a very nice truck though. I think we'll ride the Banshee quad around, the Lizard Bear 4x4. It's pretty slow at first, but catch up some speed right now, and we'll fly through the flowers, but catch some speed will go pretty quick. I think I might make a track out here for like a dirt bike or a quad, so I can have fun with it and jump around. And yeah, it'll be pretty fun. And once we come back, that'll be the end of the video. But yeah, at first it goes slow, but now it's catching some speed. We're going 70 miles per hour. Nice brake. We still need to find a place to put these. And we'll just park it there. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.